How's it going, fellow foodies? Pizza is a favorite for almost everyone. Most of you will agree that it's one of the tastiest foods out there. I mean, what's not to like about it? The only problem is that a balanced diet doesn't include a slice of pizza in each hand. Pizza is heavy in calories, salt, and fat, all of which contribute to several health problems. In today's video, we'll highlight some healthy pizza alternatives that can help you with your cravings. Are tortillas and meatballs a good option? What about keto cloud pizza? We'll be talking about all of this and more. Number 1. English muffin pizza. When someone asks us what our guilty pleasure is, many of us will say pizza. I mean, I'm not sure what there is to feel guilty about. Pizza is awesome. That warm and cheesy flavor is hard to say no to. If you're only preparing a meal for one person and want something as tasty as pizza, an English muffin is a perfect choice. Sounds crazy, right? Well, sometimes the craziest foods are the tastiest. You can make this in no time, and it only requires a few ingredients. English muffins are typically healthier than traditional pizza crusts, and you can make it as basic or as complex as you want. Research states that 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of dietary fiber are included in a 100% whole wheat English muffin. It also includes important minerals such as calcium, selenium, and iron. The item is also prepared without the harmful trans fats or saturated fats found in many popular pastries. They also don't carry a lot of sugar. It will take you only a few minutes to prepare an English muffin pizza. Both regular and whole wheat English muffins are available. It's ideal for feeding a small group, and you can add any topping you want. Number 2. Meatballs and tortillas. Oh yeah, you better believe this pizza works. Tortillas are good to consider for your healthy pizza. They're frequently used in Mexican recipes. This is a terrific alternative for you if you enjoy tortillas and desire a more nutritious style of pizza. You can fill the tortilla with whatever topping you want. You can make meatballs from lean ground beef and serve them on a baked tortilla instead of a normal pizza. It'll give you the crispiness of a thin crust pizza along with the flavor. Pepperoni and other toppings on standard pizzas have a lot more fat and calories. This is a delicious way to consume a pizza and stay in reasonably good shape. I mean, think of all the nutrients you're getting. Corn tortillas include fiber and magnesium. Fiber is beneficial to digestion and heart health, while magnesium is essential for the brain, heart, and muscles. Corn tortillas are whole grain and have fewer carbohydrates, calories, and fat than flour tortillas. Number 3. Pizza omelette. Who said pizza couldn't be eaten for breakfast? The best omelet you've ever had is just a few minutes away. This delicious recipe combines all your favorite pizza flavors with the low-carb benefits of an omelet. Eggs are high in protein, vitamins, and minerals. They can be used in a variety of ways to jazz up your pizza. I know this type of pizza seems a little nuts, but you'll feel a lot different after you try it. A pizza omelet is one of the best ways to eat pizza without feeling guilty. This easy recipe allows you to throw in healthy items like veggies and cheese. If you build your omelet with egg whites, you'll get bonus health points. A pizza omelet can offer selenium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, calcium, zinc, and other vitamins and minerals. Before we move ahead, are you trying to get in shape this year? Maybe this video can help. Watch and learn more about 14 foods that can keep you full and help you lose weight. Now back to our list of healthier versions of pizza. Number 4. Quinoa pizza bites. These pizza ideas seem to be getting crazier and crazier, don't they? Well, this entry on our list, it's gonna blow your mind. Instead of grabbing a slice of pizza, you can try dipping a quinoa ball into a bowl of marinara. Yeah, you heard that right. In case you couldn't tell already, quinoa bites are a little different from the pizza you're used to having. The good part is they don't require any extra preparation or additional ingredients. These gluten-free snacks are filled with good stuff thanks to pepperoni, quinoa, eggs, and mozzarella. Quinoa has recently gained popularity. This superfood may also be used to produce a super pizza. Did you know that quinoa contains a variety of essential elements, including folate, magnesium, zinc, and iron? Also, it's high in fiber and protein, 2 nutrients that contribute to a feeling of fullness. With onion, cherry tomato, and basil added, there's enough flavor in this snack to satisfy you. This healthy option will allow you to eat as much pizza as you want without feeling guilty or sick. Also, you'll be happy knowing that you're eating a healthier dinner. While eating healthy all the time should be your goal, it's also good to satisfy your cravings every now and then. Number 5. Versatile zucchini pizza bites. It's time to introduce the king of all healthy snacks. These are zucchini pizza bites. It's just as satisfying as a slice of pizza. Have you ever wondered about the best way to feed a hungry group? Well, the answer is appetizers. Zucchini pizza bites offer all the goodness of pizza without the carbs. Once they're ready, you'll have a tasty appetizer that you can feel great about eating. Zucchini is a summer veggie that's super versatile, healthy, and flavorful. Not only is this easy to grow, but it's also easy to preserve. This way, you can enjoy it all year round. With zero fat and lots of fiber, it's also loaded with significant amounts of vitamin B6, riboflavin, folate, vitamin C, vitamin K, and minerals. When baked, zucchini becomes amazingly tender. It absorbs the flavor of pizza sauce, cheese, and toppings. These are every bit as good, if not better, than traditional pizza. The best part is that you can keep portions small. This makes it easy to customize the toppings. That way, everyone in your group can get in on the action and create their own pizza bite. Zucchini bites are the perfect way to snack while fueling your body with antioxidants. Don't let the thought of veggies as a pizza crust scare you. Zucchini doesn't have an overpowering flavor. It can work as a substitute for almost anything. Number 6. Pizza with black bean crust. Do you like black beans? I know they're not everyone's thing, but boy, can they spice up your pizza. This protein-packed choice is ideal for a Friday night family dinner. It's a healthy option that tastes just as cozy and fulfilling. Most of you enjoy eating crunchy pizza and unwinding on your couch while watching your favorite shows. However, the after effects of too many calories can get in the way of this enjoyment. Eating pizza night after night, something many of us have done on a budget, can result in packing on the pounds. This is where black bean crust comes in. It's nutritious, tasty, and of course, guilt-free. Several people out there like black beans and have used them in a wide range of foods. So why not pizza? When compared to other high-carb meals, black beans are good for lowering your blood sugar levels after a meal. Many other fruits, vegetables, cereals, meats, dairy products, nuts, and seeds don't provide this protein-fiber combo. The antioxidants in the bean skins help to boost your vision, heart health, capillary strength, skin strength, and immune system. They're also very beneficial for your energy, blood sugar control, and digestion. You can finish off this healthy crust with your favorite toppings, and trust us, nearly everyone who tries it loves the taste. Number 7. Pizza on pita bread. One of the most appealing parts of using pita bread for your pizza is that it's available in both standard and whole wheat varieties. It has fewer carbohydrates and calories than the ordinary crust. Pita bread is both tasty and healthy. It's the ideal crust for people who want fewer carbs. Pita bread is low in fat but high in calcium and iron. You can add any toppings you want to it. There are tons of possibilities from meat lovers to meat-free. Pita bread comes in a number of shapes and sizes, including low-carb varieties. So it's easy to locate what you're looking for if you're on a specific diet. The majority of these options are non-traditional foods that'll make you think twice. But once you've had a taste, you'll fall in love. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more food-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Check out what happens to your body when you eat pizza once a week. Or how about 8 foods that'll give you a heart attack? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about smart food alternatives that can help satisfy your cravings while enjoying all the nutritious benefits. Have you ever tried healthier versions of pizza? Are there any that we missed?